Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about Z650 servicing cost, second servicing, which have been done a week ago, and also some modifications, frame sliders and new mirrors. Let's see. It's been a week. I haven't started it since a week. It's been in my You can see this is after 6,000 kilometers or 6 months. The 6 months has been completed, and you can see all the details in the invoice. We can see the invoice here. So second service costed me around 2407. Accessories, chain loop, chain cleaning. So the breakdown is like this: second service, accessories, chain loop and cleaning, consumables, general inspection. So these are all sum up to 5,440, and we have labor charge also, and also what is this, spare parts bill, which change oil, gasket, brake cleaner, chain loop, Kawasaki oil, chain cleaner and pin squatter. This costed me around 3,538. So totally my second servicing costed me around 8,979 rupees. These are the new mirrors which I got installed, and also the frame sliders. Let me know how they look. So yeah, that's all. Let me know if you want anything in the comments. Thank you all. Adios.